welcome to my video. If you're new here, welcome to my channel, and if you're a returning supporter, thank you. Today's video, I am going to talk about skincare. So I am on the hunt for some really good skincare products because your girl's not getting any younger. So I really need to get serious about my skincare. So I did partner up with a company named Gleamin for this video. So I do want to shout out Gleamin and thank you for sponsoring this video. I actually reached out to this company because the product that they have, it is a clay mask and it has natural ingredients, and I was just very drawn to that. So I really wanted to give it a try. They were gracious enough and nice enough to partner with me for this video. With that being said, we're going to get all up close and personal with my face. This is my face, freshly washed, no makeup, no filters, no anything. So this is me. I want to talk about this product and kind of get a first impression of what the product can do, because the product does claim to have instant results. I don't have problematic skin. I don't really have acne or anything like that, but like I said, I am getting older, so I do have some dark spots, you know, on my face. I'm going to bring you up close so you can see what I'm talking about. I do have some dark spots, so hopefully those will clear up with this mask. With that being said, let's get into the mask and talk about what the ingredients that are in the mask and what exactly the mask is supposed to do for your skin. And this is what the package looks like. So I haven't even opened it up. I haven't tried it. Like I said, I want you guys to get a first impression along with me so we can experience this together. So this is what the box looks like. So it's the Gleamin Vitamin C Clay Mask. And this is what the package looks like. On the package itself, it says, achieve an instant before face glow with Gleamin Shine Bright Vitamin C Clay Mask. This transformative blend of superfood ingredients works to reduce the appearance of dark spots and hyperpigmentation, replacing them with a radiant, confident shine, bringing out the best you. So I'm looking forward to that. So it's a vitamin C clay mask with turmeric and aloe vera. So again, very good ingredients, and this is what kind of drew me to this product. The product does claim that it is stain free, although it does have turmeric in it. So we're going to see if that is true in this review. And it's supposed to work with all skin types. The ingredients are kaolin Australian clay, that's the very first ingredient. Aloe vera leaf juice, castor oil, saccharide, isomerate, aqua, citric acid, sodium citrate, betaine, almond oil, grapeseed oil, glycerin, and a few other things. Turmeric is in here in the middle of the ingredient list, and it has a few other essential oils. The package does come with an applicator brush, and this is what the product jar itself looks like. It's pretty heavy. The weight seems heavy. It says it's 60 grams. So it does feel like there's 60 grams in here. So we're going to open this up, and this is what it looks like. Okay, so this is what it looks like on the inside. So it's not solid, it's moving in here when I like shake it like this. And it smells moisturizing. It has a good scent to it. It's a real light scent. So I'm going to take my applicator out of the package. So it's a cute little applicator brush. We suggest applying evenly to a freshly cleansed face using the brightening brush provided in the box. Allow 10 minutes for the mask to fully dry. Gently remove your mask with warm water and pat dry using a soft, clean towel. So that's exactly what we are going to do, guys. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this right in front of you so that you can see the application. Ooh. Alright. The texture is very creamy and it feels good going on the skin. Let's get a little bit closer so you can really see. This feels really cool, and I don't know if it's because it's been stored in a cool temperature, but well, really room temperature. So we are going to see. I'm going to put some right under my eyes because we need to work on them dark circles. So put some right under my eyes. You know, this is not messy at all. Like, I'm thinking it's turmeric, it's yellow. I think with the applicator brush, it's great that they supply this brush because it's less messy. Like, honestly, I would probably, I'm not sure if I would want to have this all over my hands. So it's awesome that they apply this brush for application. And that application was actually super fast. So, and I can already feel the mask working on my skin. It's starting to feel a little bit hot on my skin. Like, I'm getting like a burning sensation. I don't know if you're supposed to feel that, but I'm getting like a heat sensation on my skin. Kind of like when you use some type of peppermint. Like a pepperminty, you know, fresh tingly feeling. I don't know, it's not tingly, but it does feel like there's like some kind of something going on. I feel like a sensation. So we're gonna wait 10 minutes. It says wait 10 minutes, so let's put my timer on my phone here. All right guys, so I just set my phone for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and let this sit, let it dry. I will come back so that you can see what it looks like while it's dry. And then I'll let you know what I feel about it then. And then I'm gonna wash it off completely. And so we're gonna see how what my face looks like after I remove the clay. You know, hopefully I'm gonna see some radiance in my skin like it claims to do. So we will see. I will be back. All right guys, so I'm back. I have 1 minute and 35 seconds left. So I wanted to come on before it's time for me to wash it off. The mask is dry and it does feel tight on my face at the moment. So just wanted to give you that update before I do wash this off. The sensation that I was feeling in the beginning is gone. So right now I'm just feeling the tightness of the mask. I don't know if you can tell, but yeah, I can't really smile. But yeah, so far so good. I will be back to show you what my face looks like once I rinse this off. So I just washed the mask off, guys, and I don't know if you can't really tell too much on my spots, but I will tell you that my face feels very soft. So my face feels really soft. It feels good. It's not a drying product. Normally when I wash my face, because I'm a soap and water type of gal, which is why I'm on the hunt for skincare products I need to do better, I get this drying after effect. Not so much in the summer, but in the winter time I do get, you know, my face feels pretty dry after washing it. But after this mask, I do not feel any dryness. I do feel like my face is really soft, and I actually feel like my face is brighter. It feels like it's a little bit brighter. I don't know. You tell me. Comment down below if you feel like my face is brighter after applying this clay mask. But all in all, the mask is definitely worth a try. This is going to be a product that I keep in my routine, because like I said, I want to start a skincare routine. So still looking for, you know, a face wash, a moisturizer. So if anyone has any suggestions, please put them down below. But as a clay mask, this is a good product. So again, I'm going to leave the information to this company down below in my description box. Make sure you stop by and check their website out. I had a very good experience with this company. They were very professional, very friendly. Their response time was quick. Thanks again to Gleamin for sponsoring this video. And another thing, have you entered my giveaway? My giveaway is still going on up through November 30th. So if you haven't already, go to my Instagram page so you can find out how you can enter to win the giveaway. Thank you so much for watching the video. Make sure that you're following us on Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter. And I will see you in the next video. Bye.